Hey, new era building team. This is MJ from Parashot Leads, and I just wanted to take a minute. So, I know you guys are super busy, and so am I. So, I'm just going to run you through your website real quick and show you some things that you guys can get better with over there. So, the first thing I want to run with you is, of course, content. Actually, and for your information, Google looks at how much content you have on your site, and that's what you are found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page. Looks like you guys are running around 200 to 300 words, so not enough content on your front page right here, and of course not enough content for them to really find you relevant. So your competition, on the other hand, let's take a quick look. So, of course, when I searched in residential contractor in Campbell, California, here's the result. So, by the way, this is the map pack, and they're right there at the top of the map pack. So, the first thing went over is content, right? So, you need to get that content up for 1500 words. So, it looks like your competition has around 200 words. So we have some room for improvement, right? So we can definitely beat them out with content on the front page and also their back pages. So they have a good number of back pages too. So you guys need to add more, of course, right? So aside from the 1500 words on the front page, we need to get more back pages as well. So we can definitely beat them out, of course. So we need to build this website up to have a lot of content coming through it. Of course, traffic will uh, follow, is to follow, of course, from the people. So the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. So content, links, and citation are what really matters with Google. So the next thing we're talking about is links, right? So you guys have around only 12 backlinks for organic keywords and no traffic. So that's pretty low. So this is a trust store, by the way, and it shows that Google only trusts you for 0 out of 100, and you guys have only around zero point 0.4 power. All right. While your competition, on the other hand, has a trust score of 4.3 out of 100 and 9 out of 100 power. So it's actually beatable, right? They have 172 keywords being used on when they are searched for, and they have a 207 traffic. Okay, so how they do this is, of course, the web is made up of nothing but links. So pointing back and forth from each other, we're trying to tell Google like, hey, this is one of the best residential in contractor services in Campbell, California. So not all links are created equal, and looks like your competition has some low level links here, but so do you. Okay. So you have some pretty low level links, so we can definitely get that up. And once we do, it will raise your trust and power up above theirs, and it will start pushing those keywords. But we got to get the content, and then we got to start pushing links after we have the content done. Okay? So right now you're ranked around the 310 million spot, while your competition, on the other hand, has around 44 million ranking, of course. So we got some catching up to do. Definitely doable, I promise you. So when I went out and did some searches, like I said, I put in residential Proctor, Campbell, California. They were number one out here in the map pack, right? So this next thing we're talking about is citation. So it has everything to do with this map pack right here. And getting up there, of course, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, Citystar, Yext, and all those different website directories. Of course, it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google, your exact address as it appears on Google, of course, exact phone number. Okay, and it's got to be pushed throughout the web. All right. So when I pulled a research here, and let me go back to return to results. So you guys have around six citations. Of course, six directories, and on the other hand, your competitor has around 13 citations. So you need to get your citations above theirs to start beating them in this map pack right here. So you probably ask yourself how I do that. Well, I click in here, all right, here, click in here, of course, on the side of your competitor here. So I just click here and I can see the every citation that they have, and we can go after those same citations so that we start beating them on the map pack. All right. And also that goes for the same with links, guys. I'm able to click into their backlinks here. All right. So they have around 66 backlinks. Okay. So I can see and find what backlinks they have, and I can go after those or the better ones too so that we start beating them organically. All right. So also last thing, in terms of keywords, we can actually consider some keywords here as well. All right. So for example, for this one, remodeling, construction, construction remodeling in Bay Area, they're at the top three spot. Bay Area construction, they're at the second spot, right? So we have some keywords right here that we can use, all right, on our content that we can include, of course, so that Google can actually find us as a relevant website or as a relevant construction remodeling business. All right. So if we do those three things today, all right, for your website, it's links or the backlinks, get more citations and 1500 words content, and add more back pages. We could actually start beating your competition down the road. So if you guys need any help with your web, kindly give me a call. All right, I will be providing my details via email, Facebook chat, or whatever platforms that you guys may prefer. So again, this is MJ from PowerShot Leads, and I know you guys are super busy, and I'm going to let you go now. All right, so thank you and have a good day ahead.